I'm going to explain everything about Hilton Head with my perfectly broken English. This halal girl in the haram place. Hello guys, this is going to be my first long video. Actually, I never did something like that in my life, but I'll do my best. Right now I am in Hilton Head. I'll be able to try different things here. I will do my best to share all the experience I have here, okay? Let's get started with Airbnb details. It was 2-bedroom apartment. It was pretty clean, but I felt a little bit an old smell. That's why if you guys are picky like me, I would recommend you to bring your own towel and bed sheets. This place had all the basics, but there was only one shower, and I think that it was the only downside. For 2 full days, we spent around $500. We were 4, but actually this place can fit 6. My favorite part was balcony. As you see, there was a tennis course nearby, so if you're interested in playing tennis, there's also some equipment at home so you can use. Overall, this place was nice. It's my first time in America, being in the beach. Beach. Welcome to the beach.
She got the rib.
We left in the morning. Our parents didn't know we were there. So the street lights came on, and you had to be home when the street lights came on.
The first things they ever learned on this hard, right?
Where are we going, Daniel?
Oh, we're gonna go really high, Yeah. That's where we're going. All right, guys. Well, how's it going, everybody?
Good. No parasailing today because of the heavy rain, but I'll do that later in different, better condition. I hope so, inshallah. All you guys have a pork meat?
No, mine is beef steak.
Beef. You are halal guy. What about you?
I'm halal.
You guys are haram.
Keep going, because I got a high note.
Oh, that's what it is.
Just
Halal.
now.
That tree is so cool. That's our vacation.
Oh, let's wait. Let's wait.
Okay, go there. Oh, watch out for it.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. Good.
Keep